If you would love to do meditation right now, please feel free to stop what you're doing and take a few minutes to do this meditation together. Even Coda's doing it. Just take a few minutes for yourself right now. I'd love for you to find a place where you're super comfortable. Get yourself situated. When you're ready, you may close your eyes if you're comfortable with that, and start taking in some nice deep breaths. Just at your own pace. In through your nose, out through your mouth, with an audible exhale. So it's like this. Just like that. It feels, if you've never done it, it can feel a little silly, but it is so worth it. It's very releasing. You will feel good after doing it, that you will not care at all if it feels funny. So let's do a few more of those together. Ready? Quiet the breath if you'd like. Keep your breath at a nice pace that's comfortable to you but relaxing as well. With your eyes closed in your comfortable position, starting at the top of your head, we will release and dissolve those areas right now. Run down each part of your body. Notice if any area feels like it's holding tension. If you notice an area that might be blocked, or you have a sensation there that isn't pleasant, when we inhale healing breath. Another. One more. That was a good one. It's all about the release, and you will feel lighter after those breaths. You can actually see the individual particles. They're moving far, far away from one another until there is so much space. Until the particles get so far apart, they disappear. Look at the open space that's there now that you've removed any blockages. If you sense anything happening in another area in your body, and make sure you're not holding your breath. Go through your different body parts from head to toe and allow yourself to dissolve whatever it is that's coming up for you. Remember to incorporate the breath. When you inhale, you are inhaling healing energy. So you're inhaling healing, and you're exhaling any remnants, anything that was left from these areas that we've cleared. Good. Keep breathing in and out. When you inhale and exhale, you are letting go on that exhale. Feel your body actually let go. You might feel your shoulders drop. I love when that happens, and it just feels so much better. I'd like you to start wiggling your toes and your fingers. Slowly start to open your eyes and just move around a little bit. Just kind of signaling to your whole body that we're not in meditation right now, yet we're not leaving this beautiful, relaxed feeling. I hope you enjoyed that meditation. I really love doing meditations with you. It's extremely powerful and healing. I hope to see you next time. Namaste.